Hello, Stoner Prairie fifth graders, and welcome to our third and final day of training for the Greatness Patrol role. I'm so happy that you are joining me. Miss Thompson and I met earlier today, and we wanted to share with you on this final training day the 4 ingredients that you need to remember to be a Greatness Patrol. Are you ready? Let's do this. Number 1, we showed you this yesterday. Make sure that you wear your Greatness Patrol belt whenever you are serving as a Greatness Patrol. Rule number 2, make sure you sign in. So remember, on that bulletin board outside of your classrooms, which is orange, there are all the jobs listed, and on them, Monday morning, you're going to see pieces of paper that say the date and a space for you to initial your name. That way we know that you are where you need to be. And if somebody doesn't show up, we can look at that. Number 3, make sure when you get to wherever your post is. So yesterday you saw me demonstrate being at the front door. If you're a door greeter, that's where you'll go. If you're at the 4-5 doors, you'll go to the 4-5 doors. If you're in the kindergarten breakfast, you'll go to the cafeteria and look for somebody there. If you are a K helper, you'll go down the K hallway and look for a K teacher. Wherever that post is, you will report with your belt on, and you will look for an adult to help guide you to exactly specifically what we're going to be asking you to do. You'll do that for probably the first 2 to 3 days, but I bet by Friday you'll know what to do and you won't even need to look for that grown-up. But for the first few days, we'll have you look for them so that you know exactly what, where, and who you should report to. You'll also need to know who that person is in case there are any questions that come up, or anything that you can't answer that a scholar may ask you. You know where to go to kind of find those answers. So that's number 3. And number 4 is to make sure that you remember you are a Greatness Patrol. That means that you are leading in our school, and it is important to lead by example. So what are our school rules? To be respectful, to be responsible, to be kind. And remember, you are a leader, so people are always watching you. Are you going to make mistakes sometimes in life? Absolutely. We expect that, actually. That's how we all learn and grow together. It's how we handle those times when we maybe make mistakes that define our leadership. And so I want to make sure and be clear with you the importance that our little scholars are all going to be looking to you for ways that they can solve their own problems, and you'll be demonstrating that. A very important role of being on the Greatness Patrol, and I am so grateful to each and every one of you for signing up. It is going to be a super fun year. Our Greatness Council will be talking, one of the first meetings we have next week, we're going to talk about what we're going to do to honor and thank you. And we'll thank you at the end of the year with a larger party, but we're going to thank you throughout the year as well. We have some really cool stuff planned. So again, the purpose of today's training is to remind you of the 4 big important roles. Here they are. Get your belt, sign in, look for a grown-up in an orange vest or who's a teacher to help you, and number 4, be responsible and remember you are a leader. Thank you so much for again serving in this role, and have a wonderful long weekend, fall break. See you Monday.